In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Facebook profile to Sprout Social. Before we begin, a quick but important note. Sprout Social supports connecting Facebook pages, not personal Facebook profiles. So, even though we're talking about a profile connection, what you'll actually connect is a Facebook page that you manage. To do this successfully, you must be an admin with full control of that page. Start in Sprout Social and head to Settings. Then choose Connect a Profile. This is where you add new social connections to your account. If you manage multiple brands or teams, you'll be asked to pick a group. A group in Sprout Social is simply a container that organizes which users have access to specific social profiles. Select the group where you want this Facebook page to live so the right teammates can schedule posts and view analytics later. Next, choose Facebook from the list of networks. You may see other options like Instagram or LinkedIn, but for this setup, select Facebook to start the connection flow. On the next screen, click Connect Page, and when prompted, choose Go to Facebook. Sprout Social will redirect you to Facebook so you can grant the necessary permissions securely. If you're not already signed into Facebook, log into the account that has admin access to the page you want to connect. Facebook will show a permissions window. It's important to allow all requested permissions so Sprout Social can publish posts, pull messages and comments, and show accurate analytics. If you turn off certain permissions, some features may not work as expected. Also, if you manage multiple pages, check that the correct page is selected in the Facebook authorization dialog. If you don't see your page listed, that usually means your Facebook role isn't high enough. You need to be an admin with full control on that page, not just an editor or moderator. After confirming and authorizing, you'll be redirected back to Sprout Social. The connection completes automatically, and your Facebook page will appear in the group you selected. From there, you can start planning content, assigning tasks to teammates, and monitoring page activity, all within Sprout Social. To recap, the keys to success are simple. Begin in Settings under Connect a Profile, pick the right group, choose Facebook, click Connect Page, and go to Facebook. Then sign in and grant the necessary permissions. Remember, personal Facebook profiles aren't supported for direct publishing, so make sure you're connecting a Facebook page you administrate. That's it. You're connected and ready to work efficiently in Sprout Social.